Assalamu alaikum ji. Thank you so much. This particular initiative speaks in high volumes, and this shows our intention as a government. And above all, we shouldn't forget one thing, and that is that all those who have made an impact across the globe, it was basically because of their teamwork. It is always a collective approach, and once you work as a team, then you achieve your desired objectives. Here in Pakistan, the overall approach was totally different. And let me give you an example. In 2015, as an opposition member, I got an opportunity of visiting India along with 10 to 12 parliamentarians and few journalists as well. And we were supposed to compete in 4 different areas: tourism, agriculture, role of media, and 4th was police reforms. And when it comes to tourism, I got a shock of my life when I came to know that there is no such tourism policy. We didn't have a tourism policy until 2015, since inception. Now this government has given due importance, and for that, peace is the main prerequisite. And as the responsibility to which I am given by the Honorable Prime Minister, the sole objective is to work day and night. And let me assure you, though we have got 18th Amendment, but in spite of that, my civil armed forces, all the key stakeholders, all the provincial governments are on our board. And let me assure you that 2 particular initiatives, fencing of Durand Line with Pak Afghan, and then again another 9 kilometers border with Iran, we are going for fencing of that as well. So let me assure you that when it comes to the government, and when it comes to obviously my ministry, we are working day and night, and the sole objective is to prove it not only to ourselves, but to all those who have got different perception about Pakistan. And the message is that we have got the due abilities. Come and explore. We are here to facilitate, and we will prove it to them that there will be no difference between as far as the overall security, from security point of view. You will see that the law enforcing agencies and all those who are responsible are as competent, credible, and they can trust Pakistan and Pakistani government. Our doors are open, and the visa policy speaks in high volumes. 175 countries online, 50 on arrival. From 66, we have taken it to 98 for business visa. So the world, the message to the entire globe: come and explore Pakistan, and Pakistan is a feather in the cap of the global community, inshallah.
One quick question for the understanding of everyone and for the media. Is this policy of the visa-free entry, has it been fully implemented, or is it in the process right now?
Dr. Saab, we need to realize, and I would convey it loud and clear, as a state, what we have witnessed of late, so the key stakeholders, the intelligence agencies, 7 to 10 working days. And those who are on arrival, we are doing the needful, conveying, taking everybody on board, and inshallah, with the blessing of the Divine Bar, in the next 2 to 3 weeks' time, everything will be clear and nobody will have any such problem at any level, inshallah.